Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand React Native project structure in very simple and easy way. If you are new to React Native and get confused by so many folders and files, don't worry. After watching this video, everything will be crystal clear. Start the Visual Studio Code editor. Open the terminal window. Type the following command to create React Native project: npx space @react native community /cli latest space init, then app name like my app, and press the enter key. It will take time and it depends on your internet speed. Now click on File menu, then Open Folder. Select the app, which is My App. Click on Select Folder button. So this is our React Native project structure. This project contains lots of folder and files. Don't worry, I will explain these files and folder step by step. The first folder is Android folder. This folder contains the Android native code which is written using the Java or Kotlin language. This folder also contains the Gradle files, Android manifest files, and files which are required when you build APK file of your project. Second folder is iOS folder. This folder contains the native iOS code which is written using the Objective-C or Swift language. App.json file is an important file in our project. This file contains the app related information like what is the name of app and what is the title of app. If you want to change the title of our app, we have to change the display name property. Next file is app.js or app.tsx file. App.js or app.tsx is the main component of our application. This file contains the code used to design the user interface. When we run the app, this file displays on the screen. Next file is index.js file. This file is the entry point of the application. For example, if our project has two files, app.tsx and demo.tsx, when we run our project, app.tsx will be displayed by default. If we want to display demo.tsx, we need to change the component name in the index.js file. Next file is package.json file. This is very important file which contains information related to the app, like what is the app name, its version number. It also contains script related information like which command is used to run our app on Android platform and iOS platform. Next, this file contains dependency information like which version of React is used to build the project. This file also contains the install packages information like which packages are installed to create this project. So in this video, we have learned the following. Android folder contains native Android code. iOS folder contains native iOS code. App.json contains app related information. App.tsx file contains main UI code. Index.js is the entry point of application. Package.json contains install packages information. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching computer science tutorial.